The old world is crumbling. As degrees lose their value, John, a second-year university student, realizes he needs his own empire instead of sending endless, hopeless applications every single day. Corporate giants are slashing jobs at an unprecedented rate. In 2026, the traditional career ladder isn't just broken. It is being replaced by algorithms and automated systems. Millionaire Mark Tilbury once said, "You don't need to reinvent success. Just recognize the working models and make them your own." Through strategy and sharp focus, John, a second-year university student, finally understood that he couldn't compete with machines. He needed to build something unique that no AI could ever fully replicate. Today, we are going to open John's secret journal and reveal the 7 micro-monopoly models that will allow anyone to dominate the market in the year 2026. These aren't just businesses, they are automated empires. Get ready to discover how to find your niche and turn it into a high-profit, self-sustaining digital asset. A micro-monopoly is not about building the next Google. It is about being a big fish in a small pond, where you own the entire territory completely. I can mimic formulas, but it cannot replicate your taste or your personal curation. Your aesthetic sense is the ultimate shield against the wave of AI automation. Take Kai Towers, for instance. He escaped a dead-end life by using just $400 to dominate the retro gaming accessory niche on the eBay marketplace. John learned a vital lesson. The riches are truly in the niches. By focusing on what Amazon ignores, Kai created a fortress that no giant could enter. In 2026, if you only use AI to copy and paste, you will drown in the noise. True value lies in curation, packaging, and deep human insight. Success requires a shift in mindset. You must stop being a consumer of content and start being the high-level curator that the market desperately needs right now. Model number 1, the premium newsletter. John becomes an information filter, providing deep insights that save busy professionals hours of research time every single week. This model requires $0 for hardware. You are investing your brainpower to distill the chaos of the internet into actionable knowledge for a dedicated audience. People aren't paying for more information, they are paying for less of it, the right information. Become the trusted voice that people rely on to stay informed. With a recurring subscription model, John builds a predictable income stream. It is a monopoly of authority where his name becomes the brand of high-quality truth. Next, John explores the world of visual transformation. This is where AI power meets the massive real estate industry to solve a very specific, expensive problem. Model number 2, AI virtual staging. Using advanced tools, John transforms empty, boring property photos into stunning, fully furnished luxury homes in just a few clicks. Real estate agents are desperate to sell homes faster. John provides the visual magic that helps buyers imagine their future life, charging a premium for every photo. This is a high-demand service with almost zero overhead. You are selling speed and aesthetics, 2 things that every business owner is willing to pay for. Model number 3 takes us into the world of tangible products. John uses AI to create unique, niche-specific art for the growing print-on-demand market. He doesn't just make random art, he targets deep niches like vintage sci-fi or botanical illustrations that have passionate, underserved communities waiting to buy. By connecting his designs to Printify, John automates the fulfillment. He never touches a product, yet he builds a physical brand powered by digital intelligence. Always remember, customers don't care if you used AI. They pay for the final result, the emotion, and the professional curation that John provides to them. We have covered content and products. Now, John enters the most lucrative territory of all, the era of automated service and specialized agency solutions. Model 4 is the AI Automation Agency, or AAA. John isn't selling his time. He is selling time-saving systems that run on autopilot for local businesses. He sets up intelligent chatbots and workflows using Make.com to handle appointments and customer service, allowing small business owners to focus on their actual craft. This is a high-ticket service. A single setup can generate thousands in recurring revenue because the value provided is clear, measurable, and absolutely essential for growth. Model 5. Packaging digital resources. John takes his own successful AI workflows and turns them into digital products for busy employees who want to work faster. You are selling the shortcut. In a world where everyone is struggling to keep up with AI, your organized, proven systems are worth their weight in gold. Model 6. Faceless micromedia. John manages a network of niche channels that generate millions of views using AI-generated scripts, voices, and stunning visual overlays. He stays behind the scenes, using AI to perform 80% of the execution, while he focuses on the strategic hook and the psychological triggers of his audience. Model 7. AI Personal Avatar Creator. John creates digital twins for experts, allowing them to produce content in 10 languages without ever standing in front of a camera. This is the ultimate scale. You are selling the ability to be everywhere at once. It is a monopoly of presence, powered by the latest synthetic media technology. But how do these models turn into real wealth? John doesn't look at the mountain. He breaks it down into simple, achievable mathematical steps for success. $10,000 a month sounds impossible until you realize it's just $333 a day. That is the power of micro-thinking. To reach the goal, you only need 5 AAA clients paying $2,000 a month. Mathematics doesn't lie. Only your fear creates the illusion of impossibility. Think about Sue Hit Amen. At just 16 years old, while fighting a battle with cancer from a hospital bed, he refused to let his circumstances define him. With no capital and no connections, he started brand deal flipping. He built $1 million empire while most people his age were just playing video games. If a teenager in a hospital bed can overcome such immense adversity, what is your real excuse? Is it a lack of capital, or just laziness in disguise? The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the barrier to action remains high. Success in 2026 belongs to those who choose to execute today. Your journey starts the moment you stop watching and start doing. The roadmap is clear, the tools are ready, and the market is waiting for your monopoly. Whether it is newsletters, virtual staging, or AI automation, choose one path and master it. Don't be a generalist, be the absolute master of your niche. John is no longer the struggling graduate. He is the architect of his own future. He used AI to leverage his time and maximize his creative output. The year 2026 will not have room for complainers. AI has leveled the playing field, making your willingness to act the only true competitive advantage left. Click the link in the description to receive the exact documentation John used. This is your chance to write the first chapter of your own success story. The niche era is here. Your empire is waiting to be built. Don't just watch the future happen. Be the one who creates it with your own hands. John made his choice. Now it is your turn. We will see you at the top of your own micro-monopoly. Start your journey right now. Every great empire started with a single, small, focused idea. Your micro-monopoly is the seed that will grow into a lifetime of financial freedom and independence. Time is the only currency you can't earn back. Use AI to buy your time back and build a life that you don't need a vacation from. Theory will only take you so far. Action is the bridge between the life you have and the life you want. Stop overthinking and start building today. The world is bigger than your local job market. With a micro-monopoly, the entire planet becomes your playground and your potential customer base for your services. You are the conductor of the AI orchestra. Use these tools to amplify your unique human voice and create something that truly matters to the world. The sun is rising on a new economy. Will you be left in the dark, or will you be the one leading the way into 2026? The secrets have been shared. The path has been laid out. All that remains is for you to take that first decisive step toward your destiny. Join our community of digital architects. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the AI curve and master the art of the micro-monopoly in the coming years. This is your wake-up call. The future belongs to the bold. Go out there and build your own micro-monopoly, starting from this very moment. Thank you for watching. Remember, the only limit is the one you place on yourself. We believe in your potential to change your entire life. The models are yours. The math is simple. The inspiration is real. Now, there is only one thing left for you to do. Go and act. The era of the micro-monopoly has officially begun. We will see you in the next video as we dive deeper into each successful business model.